And I'm starting off with a pot of boiling water, and I'm just adding a chicken cube, just half a chicken cube here. This will be my stock base instead of using dashi. So this will flavor my base soup. Just half. I love Tantan Men Ramen, lalo na pag yung soup niya is very rich, very flavorful, and spicy. So, I will start off by, just grating a bit of ginger. And we will try to make this recipe meatless. Kasi usually, a Tantan Men Ramen has ground pork. Good enough. Then some garlic. Just smash the garlic. Mince everything. Then heat up our pan. And I will just add a bit of oil to my pan. And I will saute my garlic. Add my ginger. You can actually use ground pork here. And I am using this instead of ground pork. This is equal to like 100 grams of ground pork. I will just open this Maggi Ginisahog. And I will add it here to my pan to saute. Add it there. And add a bit of water to rehydrate. Yan. Yan. Mix, mix, mix. And this will be our protein substitute. So this is soy giniling. So it has the same texture as ground pork. No? Now it's done. And I will just add a bit of soy sauce for flavor and a bit of Korean chili paste, samjang, which you can buy easily at your Korean stores. And we are practically done. Ito na yung ating giniling substitute. Mix, mix, mix. And I will prepare my bowl. Peanut butter, chili paste, a bit of soy sauce, chili oil, vinegar. So I'm using rice wine vinegar. Blend, blend, blend. You can add a bit more peanut butter if you want it richer. So our base mixture is done. And I have here my ramen noodles. And we will add our handmade ramen noodles. Quick, quick, quick cooking. The starch will also thicken our broth. Cook for a minute. So I can easily prepare the elements sabay-sabay because I'm using my 3-burner La Germania gas range. And my noodles is done. Yan. Twist, 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 twist. Yan. My noodles. Beautiful. Put it to our bowl. I will add our ginisahog. Yan. Looks like ground meat. And to make our broth creamier, we are using Nestle Carnation Everyday Creamer. So it's good. So you can use this for both sweet and savory applications. And I'm just making my creamy broth for my Tantan Men Ramen. You can also use soy milk for this or fresh milk. Very nice. When that boils, we're going to pour it here and I will prepare my garnish. Preparing our garnish, just some sliced leeks. And we're done. Now I will add my very creamy broth. Look at that. Oops. Some chopped leeks and of course some toasted sesame seeds. And there you have it. And I'm so excited. Broth, broth, broth. Mix natin para makuha yung spiciness. And remember, yung other flavors na sa ilalim. So, what you do is you mix everything. Let it come together. Look at that. No? Sarap! Sarap daw, di pa natikman. Pero, let us see if this is a good enough Tantan Men Ramen, which you can do at home. Sabaw muna. In fair. Mmm. Mmm. And it's spicy. Spicy, creamy. Masarap. Let me taste. Mmm. No meat, ha? No meat tantanmen ramen. Oh my God. Mm. So yummy when you bite into the toasted sesame seeds. Mm. To make it even better, a little bit more sesame oil. Oh, wow. Mm. This is a winner. Satisfying, spicy, rich, filling. Ito na. Mm. Mm. So simple to do, easy to find ingredients, and not difficult to make at all. And this is part of our Japanese resto favorite dishes here on Simple.
Simple.ph. Living made simple.